But even if you aren't starting up a channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And like I said, I will still subscribe back. Again, if you want others to follow you as well, just leave a comment down below and guys, check each other out. I'll view all of you guys' videos. So this right here is what I have. It's a little light. You can change the settings. Oh, it's falling. You can change the settings. High. If I have 10 videos up and each of them has like 1,000 views, that's 10,000 right there. I'm just here to show you that it's possible and it can be done. One thing. Hey everybody, welcome back. So I like to jump right to the point, get right into it. And this is going to be a fairly short video, so please stay tuned till the end to hear full details. So I'm going to start by saying sub for sub. It's exactly what it sounds like. You subscribe to the channel down below and I will subscribe back to you, especially if you are new and you're trying to build your channel. Just go ahead and subscribe for all my people that are trying to start a new YouTube channel, and I'll go ahead and subscribe back. Check out a couple of my videos that I posted so far. I've only have 2 up so far. Go ahead and check those out as well. I'm going to link the description down below. Check those out and I'll check a couple of your videos out, give you some views as well. And just for those who want others that are viewing this video to subscribe to their channel as well, just go ahead and leave a comment down below, and all you guys can go ahead and check that out and subscribe to each other just to help each other out. One thing that I want to point out is that YouTube is very limitless, okay? There's endless opportunities. It is viewed by millions and billions of subscribers and viewers nationwide. So there is enough room for everyone here. There's no need to trample each other. Or my first tip for you guys is, of course, you always want to hold the camera this way and not vertical like this. You always want to hold it sideways if you use your phone. And I am going to use my phone to record my videos because I find it easier to edit them on my phone. I need a camera, and I have a camera. I just prefer to use my phone. So, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I have here. So this right here is what I have. It's a little light. You can change the settings. You can change the settings. High. This is the lighting I use. I just have it on the first setting right now. So that was just to show you guys that they do make these things. You can get one on Amazon. If I can find one, I'll put a link down below so where you guys can find it, just for your phone. As you get bigger, you can get a camera, you can get the whole shebang, you can get the big ring or whatever. But to start off, this is great to start off the phone. I have a tripod set up, but I took the selfie stick and I unscrewed the top part, and I unscrewed the top part and then screwed it onto the tripod, and that's how I have my phone up right now. So yes, don't mind all my blemishes, guys. The thing that I want to let you guys know, it's definitely not going to be quick. If you are looking for it to be quick, this is either going to be not for you, or you're just gonna have to be patient, you know. So just be patient, it'll get there. Don't get discouraged if you're not getting the views. It'll happen. Keep posting videos, you know, see what's trending. Keep posting videos. Do what you like to do, though. If whatever is trending is not something that you feel comfortable doing, that's fine. Just keep posting the videos. You know, the more videos you post, the more likely your videos are to be seen and recommended, or, you know, hopefully I'm talking loud enough for you guys. Like I said, be persistent. Continue to post your videos. Don't get discouraged if you're not getting the views that you want. If you just keep at it and keep posting the videos back to back, a couple times a week, 3 times a week, you want to get your videos out there, because once you hit that 10 million or 10,000 views, it's not per video. So it's not like, oh, I have to get 10,000 per views this video, that video, that. No, it's 10,000 views total. So if I have 10 videos up and each of them has like 1,000 views, that's 10,000 right there, and that's gonna help to start monetizing your videos. So just keep posting, keep at it, and be patient, guys. There's so many advice that I could give you on how to start a channel and how to be successful. Honestly, like I said, I'm still new, I'm still learning. I'm just here to show you that it's possible and it can be done. One thing, just keep it simple. There's a lot of copyright things that are going around now with YouTube, and you can definitely do it, reaching out to them and all that kind of stuff, but honestly, you just keep it simple when you're new, unless you really feel like doing that, which is fine, you know, but keep it simple. There's music, there's sites that they have that they provide for you, where you can literally use that music and not have to worry about all that kind of stuff. And they're decent music. You have different genres and everything that you guys can use, so you don't have to worry about that stuff. That's definitely one. Two, when you're new, try to keep your videos short, not too short but not too long, but you want to have it at a decent length, especially being that you're new, no one really knows you yet. But keep it short, you know, until people get to know you and you have a big supporting fan base, or whatever you want to call it. Just keep posting videos. That is the main thing. Keep posting videos, be patient. Monetizing will come eventually. If you guys aren't sure that this will work for you and you want to see it happen, stay tuned, okay? Because trust me, I'm gonna keep posting and I'll keep giving you updates on when I get monetized and how it goes and all that stuff. So stay tuned, guys. Share the video to anyone who wants to start a channel, and even if you don't want to, show support, guys. You know, like I said, nationwide. I think that's the keyword in this. It's the keyword in this video. Guys, and hopefully this helped encourage people who are willing to start or wanting to start. And as y'all know, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Thanks.